Hi, friends! What's that sound? Is that a dinosaur? Oh, a dinosaur! That's by my house! I'm scared! What if it eats me? What if I got that? What is gonna happen? I'm scared! And it is the Discovery T-Rex! Guys, I'm going to be opening the Discovery T-Rex. It's a radio-controlled action dinosaur. This dinosaur roars with the touch of a button and comes alive with motion. Scared if it really comes to life, guys. It's going to come to life. Let's see. A tree double. Batteries that are included and 2 AAA batteries that are not included. Okay, let's open it up. This is the instruction guide. Down, the dinosaur's upside down. Joby dude. The eyes look so realistic, guys. And it feels so nice. It comes with one dinosaur and a remote control. Screwdriver to open it. It has a screwdriver here. This comes with a remote and one dinosaur. I just need to fix this table. This dinosaur's head is very flexible and soft, and it feels like real dinosaur skin. And there's movable arms. Look at its teeth, it's so sharp. If you press this button here, it moves. Even when it's off, it moves. I'm gonna come and eat you guys. It's gonna eat you. Don't eat me! Calm. Yeah. You know what? This toy is good to prank someone. And I'm good to prank Cheryl. Cheryl, come here.
Wow! Very nice toy, Alan.
It's not a toy, Cheryl. It's a real dinosaur.
Are you sure?
Yes, Cheryl. Try touching, Cheryl. You'll see. Bye, friends. See you in the next video. I got to go and prank her again. Bye.